Hello, friends. We are speaking to King Freelance right now. I'm a binary trader. So, inbox me if you want to know how to trade perfectly without using an indicator. I'm not using RSI. I'm not using all of these things. I look at the chart and trade candlesticks pattern. So, for me, I trade price action, but my price action is highly advanced. It's customized price action. So let us see how can we take trades. So inbox me on Facebook. The link of my Facebook account is below description, the video description. So just inbox me and ask. I know you have been struggling about forex. You have been struggling about IQ. You know, in a market is very risky if you don't understand what you are doing. My job is to teach you to understand how market moves, higher high, higher low, how sellers and buyers affect the price. We're not talking about RSI. We're not talking about Bollinger Band. I'm not talking about moving average. I'm not talking about trend line. Okay? I'm not talking about support and resistance. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about how markets moves, how sellers, how buyers affect the price. When we see a higher high, higher low, lower low, and lower high, how to interpret those moves. Once you are able to interpret higher high and lower low and lower high, like those principles are very strong. Once you are able to interpret, I repeat again, friends, higher high, okay, lower high, okay, lower low, okay, higher low. Once you understand these four principles, I cannot say they are principle, but these four moves, they are very strong. Once you understand candlesticks analysis. So my job is to teach you to interpret them in a correct way. Once you are able to interpret these four moves in a correct way on a single candle, you will be able to trade perfectly. Trust me, I'm not a scam. I will never scam you all. Just inbox me, King Freelance Price Action. How to trade without an indicator. How to trade without signals. I cannot just give you signal because for me giving you signal, what about I die tomorrow? Who will give you signal? It means when I die, you go back to poverty. That is not what I want to your life. I give you knowledge which will last forever for the rest of your life. Inbox me, friends. I love you so much. Let us take a trade. How can we lose? I want to hear from you, listener. How can I lose? Because I understand what I told you. How can we lose? How can I lose? Because I know where the price will go from this point. Because I'm able to interpret candlesticks pattern. I am able to understand the relationship between buyers and sellers. How buyers affect the price, How sellers affect? What about the indecision between buyers and sellers? I understand confirmation, false moves and correct moves. How can we lose, friends? How can we lose? If you are still struggling about Forex, MT4, about trading penny stocks, just ask me. For now, I'm specializing too much on binary option, but ask me about anything. MT4, just ask me. Just ask me. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, just ask me. Knowledge is power, friends. We don't guess, we analyze. My strategies are not public. The system I'm using is not public, so that is why I cannot tell you why I took this trade and how I analyze and no. Just inbox me. Knowledge is power. I repeat again. King Freelance price action. Based in South Africa. Okay. King Freelance price action. King Freelance price action. How to trade without an indicator. Okay. My brain is my indicator. So I want you all to be free in life. Eh? I want you all to have financial freedom. People are scheming around, it's so painful. Knowledge is power. Follow me, friends. Inbox me. Ask me about how do I trade. Thanks very much, friends. I love you so much. Give a like to this video. Also subscribe on my channel. My channel is not old, friends. Just 2 weeks. I cannot say 2 weeks, 1 week old channel. So, friends, I love you. Knowledge is power.